Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. In today's video, we're going to focus on laundry cleaning supplies. I've had a lot of people recently come to me and tell me that their laundry stockpiles are getting low, and we just cannot have that in 2023. So I put together 10 laundry deals that you can do this Saturday, January 14th at Dollar General. If you're wanting to save a lot of money and you love couponing, I'd love to have you subscribe here to my YouTube channel. I'm working on a big subscriber goal for the new year, so I'm laser focused on helping you save as much money as you can. So I'd love for you to click on that subscribe button, help show my channel some love. And if you enjoy the deals, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It's greatly appreciated. Before I get started, I wanted to let you know about one of my favorite things I've been doing recently. On average, I write 70 to 100 couponing deals. This week, I wrote 80. And it's completely impossible for me to have enough time to post them all to all my social media platforms every week. So several months ago, I started my Patreon page where every week, for a small fee to support my work, you gain access to a lot of benefits, including things like my deals list every week that you can either download or print off. Makes it super easy. My couponing planner pages that I've designed, my new couponing sticker club, there's a lot. It's so much fun. If you're interested, I'm going to put the link to my Patreon page down in the video description. Check it out. It has all the information you're going to need. So let's get started with the deals. For our first laundry deal, grab one box of Crest toothpaste, one of the big boxes of Bounce dryer sheets, one 130 count box of Bounce pet dryer sheets, and finally one Eric plug-in. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $25.50. But after all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, you gotta make sure you clip that one, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.25 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of $14.25. I'm not gonna lie, my favorite deals are where I'm saving more money than I pay out of pocket. I can't ask for more. For our second laundry deal, super easy, grab 2 of the large size bags of Tide Pods, 1 big bottle of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Super, super easy. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $29.90. But after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $16.90 plus tax. That's a total savings of $13. That's more than just the cost of 1 bag of Tide Pods. For our third laundry deal, grab one of the Eric plugins, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Cleaners in whatever scent you want. Just make sure the coupon attaches, of course. 1 bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer. That stuff's amazing, by the way, if you've never tried it. And one of the 130 count boxes of Bounce pet dryer sheets. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.05. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.05 plus tax. That's a total savings of $15. Really great deal to stock up on some awesome cleaning products. Our fourth laundry deal is for sure one of my favorite laundry deals this week. Grab one of the big bottles of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent for $10 and 3 cans of the micro brand. Y'all, why can I never say that word? There's a blooper. I'm keeping it in the video. 3 cans of microban sprays. Sorry. I'm leaving that in. I'm leaving the blooper in the video. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $28 even. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11 plus tax. That's a total savings of $17. That's just $1 more than the full retail value of just the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, and pretty much all the microban ends up being free. See, I said it right that time. Sorry. For our fifth laundry deal, I want to make sure I mention, when we get these Tide coupons, always look to see what the coupon attaches to, because often we're always picking like regular Tide or the Tide Pods, and it a lot of time also works on the Tide Free and Gentle detergents. So this is a really good deal for that if that's something you're needing. So for our fifth laundry deal, grab 2 cans of Febreze Air Effects, or it can be Febreze Small Spaces. Grab 1 bottle of the Tide Free and Gentle detergent and one of the 103 count boxes of Bounce pet dryer sheets. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.40. After all coupons though, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.60 plus tax. That's a total savings of $14.80. Our sixth laundry deal comes with an interesting story. So last year when my son was in preschool, I went to drop him off at school, and afterwards I had to run to Dollar General because I wanted to get a container of OxyClean to clean my husband's tennis shoes. And they were actually out, but I found this True Living brand of Oxy cleaner, and it was a lot cheaper, like a lot cheaper. So I'm like, yeah, I'll try it. Y'all, this stuff works great. It's pretty much exact same thing, give or take. I've had no issues with it. Really great deal for it's pretty much the same size container, and it's a fraction of the price. I highly recommend trying it if you're wanting to stock up on Oxy cleaners for your family. So for our sixth laundry deal, grab 2 tubs of those True Living brand Oxy cleaners. Grab 2 bottles of Mr. Clean cleaners, and then 2 cans of the microbrand sprays. I'm never going to be able to say it. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $28.50. After all coupons, though, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $14.25 plus tax. That makes a total savings of $14.25. For our 7th laundry deal, grab 2 of the Febreze Small Spaces, 1 bottle of Shout Stain Remover, 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, and then 1 of the Bic Soleil razors. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.25. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $11.70 plus tax. That's a total savings of $14.55. I am loving that the majority of these couponing deals in this video, the savings is more than the out-of-pocket. Oh, I'm loving it. Our 8th laundry deal comes at the request of several of my couponing friends for deals on Pine Sol. Grab 1 pack of Bic Soleil razors, 1 box of Bounce Pet dryer sheets, 130 count, 2 bottles of Pine Sol cleaners, the $4 bottles, and 1 of the Airwick plugins. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.20, but after all the coupons that we clipped, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $10.45 plus tax. That's a total savings of $14.75. For our 9th laundry deal, grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean cleaners, 2 Febreze Air Effects, 1 of the Clover Valley brand white vinegars, the 128 ounce size, and 1 box of Borax detergent booster. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.85, but after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $12.30 plus tax. That is a total savings of $13.55. This is a really great one to stock up on more natural laundry cleaning supplies if that's something that you're into. For our 10th laundry deal, grab 1 of the larger size bags of Tide Pods, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean cleaners, and 1 bottle of Downy fabric softener. We don't have a coupon for it, but like I always tell you, that's totally okay. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.40, but after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to $16.15 plus tax. That's a total savings of $11.25. Not too bad when you consider $10.95 of this was the Downy fabric softener, and we didn't even have a coupon for it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it saves you a lot of money this week for your family. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to click on that subscribe button. I post deal videos every week. This week I have 8 of them. I'm really excited to work on a big subscriber goal here for my YouTube channel in 2023, and your support is greatly appreciated. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell and turn on all notifications. That way, when I post any of my deal videos each week, or I do one of my fun couponing after dark live chats, you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.